Hello everyone, how are you going today? Today I'm going to be doing a quick video about the recent DYDX airdrop. Around quite a long time ago, around 7 months ago I believe, I made a video about the DYDX airdrop and how to prepare for that. And lo and behold, the airdrop is actually going to happen. However, you do have to do a little preparation for the airdrop. Okay, you can't just collect it, unfortunately. You have to do one trade in order to qualify for the airdrop. Okay, so I'm just going to go over how to do that for today. If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started. So to have qualified for this airdrop, you have to have used the DYDX protocol before July 26th of this year. And they're going to be airdropping around 7.5% of their initial token supply. Depending on what you actually did on the D app before July 26th, for example, the number of trades you made and so on, your airdrop will be proportional to this. As for me, I wasn't really interested in leverage trading, so I just made a small deposit of ETH and staked it. So unfortunately, or fortunately for me, I only qualified for the smallest airdrop of 310 DYDX tokens. I'm sure most people will have more than me. Anyway, in order to actually be able to withdraw this airdrop, you'll need to make a small trade. So I'll just go over how to do this, and then you'll be all set to go. Basically, all you need to do is log into the DYDX site using the same wallet you used previously. Click through all the junk. I didn't bother creating an account. Seems to work out without it. Sign a gasless transaction and click on the rewards button. Once you do all that, you'll be able to see how big your airdrop is. So actually, as you can see on the right, I won't be able to claim that until I complete at least one trade. This will cost me a few bucks in ETH, unfortunately, so I'll definitely be hoping my airdrop is actually worth it. Good luck to all the viewers out there who are in the same boat as me. You'll need to get all this done before the countdown. So whatever number you see on the right, that is the remaining days you have left to complete the task. So I recommend doing this ASAP. But try and time it when Ethereum is uncongested to save a few bucks. That is what I'll be doing anyway. Now to actually get this trade done, you'll need to deposit some USDC. So click on deposit, then enable USDC. Pay the nasty transaction fee. Recommend using a custom spend limit. Now confirm deposit. Now the transaction is initiated and you'll need to wait a bit for 10 transaction confirmations. It could take a few minutes or so. Okay, so let's do a quick trade. Just click on the trade tab. I'll do a quick market order, but limit order is also available if you want. Basically, I just want to do a quick trade in and out. I can use the slider below if I want to use leverage. Also, you can see there is a small fee. Now let's just place the order. You can see my order is placed and my position is open. And now, if you like, you can check your portfolio screen and see if there are any changes. Okay, now it's time to return to the trade tab and close my position. So click on max and close position. And that's it. Now all you have to do is return on September 8th and pick up your juicy airdrop, which will hopefully be more than the fees I just spent. Okay, I hope you could find this useful. If so, leave a like, and it would be great to get a comment as well. Hopefully you can make mega bucks. Hopefully we all can make mega bucks. Have a great day everyone. Bye for now.